Design. The adapter is gathered with zinc alloy metallic minimalist design and delicate embossment for not slipping. Compatibility. This USB-C to USB adapter is compatible with MacBook Pro after 2016 and MacBook Air after 2018 and most of the laptops, tablets and smartphones with a USB Type-C port. User-friendly and USB 3 speed. Plug and work. Plug the USB-C end of the adapter into a USB-C port, and then connect your flash drive or other standard USB-A devices. Also, you can sync or charge your phone with this USB-C to USB adapter. Connectors, engineered for enhanced durability. The male USB-C and female USB 3 connectors are designed to be plugged and unplugged up to 10,000 times. Compact and easy to use. Plug and play. No driver required. Simple structure, lightweight and portability. If you like to buy the product, please check out the link to purchase in description below.